who works and thinks that he understands, then he is a supervisor. And manager is the one who thinks that he works and thinks that he understands. So I must say that I decided I should not become a manager at all. I should better remain an engineer, and from engineer I should become director, so that nobody asks any questions. So that's what I have become in my life. And let me share a few things about that little later. But the topic I have chosen to talk to all of you this afternoon is about SME segment. Now one would wonder what is the relevance of SME segment for project management conference. I think if at all there is any entity that needs project management techniques in its real sense, it is the SME segment according to me, because the bigger ones will anyway do better. You might call this with any kind of isms and technologies and whatnot, but SMEs need it the most. But there is one more reason. Pune chapter this year has decided to take on SME as a theme segment for us to concentrate on, and I am very happy to inform you that I was invited to the PMI Washington DC chapter in August to give a lecture and share what is the plight of SME segment in Pune city as such. We are trying to set up some kind of chapter to chapter cooperation with Washington DC chapter now, and their team will visit us in January in Pune to set up what we would call as SME segment activities here. So I have received a lot of support from PMI office for this, and thanks a lot for all people who are in my chapter, in associate chapter, Team India fellows, and also Washington DC chapter. Nurture for Excellence has been chosen as a theme for Pune chapter, and let me share with you, last year we have won the award for becoming fastest growing chapter, and we were declared the best component award for last year's performance. And this year our Vice President also got Volunteer of the Year award. So I would describe Pune as a chapter where it is like child with a beard, because there are people like me in the chapter. Okay, so a little bit of, let's look at this diagram carefully. I am sure you have seen this, What goes wrong here? Do we see this in many of our projects in life?
Yes.
Unfortunately, in younger generation, even in their personal life, things go like this. I feel sorry for that at times. Now the point is, why does this go wrong? Do you think all of us are stupid people? I am not for sure. The issue is, we are put into such environments and such kind of constrained situations, lack of resources, lack of, say, funds, lack of trained manpower and so on and so forth. But we all project managers always boast, but let me take you back several centuries back, I don't know how many of you have seen Kailas Leni at Ellora, which is called Verud in Marathi, This particular sculpture is the only of its kind which is dug from top to bottom. There is no other single structure in the world which is designed and sculpted like this. It is estimated that it took about 350 man-years, years throughput time, and several thousand man-years for people to construct this piece of art. Several 100 tons worth of material was removed. But please imagine the difficulty in working from top to bottom is, if you make a mistake, you have no way to correct it. Now, what is the communication level? What is the exceptional excellence in terms of one person's design getting converted by thousands of hands on the ground and making reality. I think if we are sensible, honest project managers, let's give those unknown souls a big hand. This is the power of project management according to me, and I think we are just scratching the surface as far as what all we talk and what all we tend to do at times. And that may not be the right way of doing and controlling projects. Let's look at some of the realities of SME segment now. I think if we have many friends who work in SME segment, this picture would not be a surprise to you. The issue is, based on the technocrats in our communities and in our cities and in our professions are converted into young budding entrepreneurs. But they are more like Abhimanyus. They know how to get into Chakravyuha. They don't know how to get out of that. And that's the plight of typical SME segments and say units today. By this, let somebody not conclude that there are no successful SME units. There are many.